Eat bean sprouts and this will happen to you. 7 benefits. So, what are bean sprouts? Bean sprouts are sprouts that came from beans' seeds. Beans sprouts are exactly what the name sounded like. They are grown by sprouting beans, and they then become a very young plant. To begin the germination period, the seeds are soaked for some hours. They are then exposed to the perfect combination of temperature and moisture and left to grow for 2 to 7 days. The result is then a bean sprout, young mung beans ready for eating just a few days after sprouting. Bean sprouts are incredibly beneficial to general health and well-being. They are useful in aiding weight loss, treating brain disorders, and improving digestion. This is because they are packed with plant protein, contain no fat, and are very low in calories. Below is a list of the 7 main benefits of bean sprouts. Before we go through the lists, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified of our future uploads. 1. High in vitamins. Bean sprouts are a fantastic source of vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K. Vitamin A, which is also known as retinol, is essential for cell growth. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is an antioxidant which helps tissue growth and repair. Eating bean sprouts also results in healthy skin due to its high level of vitamin E, which helps the body regulate retinol levels. 2. Anemia. Bean sprouts are extremely rich in iron. Iron plays a key role in the synthesis of hemoglobin, which is a protein found in red blood cells. Bean sprouts are also high in vitamin C, which allows for the absorption of iron from the intestine. This helps prevent anemia, which is caused by iron deficiency. 3. Constipation. Bean sprouts are extremely high in fiber, which helps improve intestinal motility and helps improve symptoms of constipation. 4. Pregnancy. Bean sprouts contain a high amount of folate, also known as folic acid. According to James Greenberg in his study, Folic Acid Supplementation and Pregnancy, folic acid helps in red blood cell formation in prenatal babies. A lack of folic acid in people who are pregnant can result in underweight babies, as well as neural tube defects in newborns. 5. Strong bones. Bean sprouts contain vitamin K. Vitamin K improves calcium absorption, preventing bone loss and osteoporosis. 6. Promotes digestion. To sustain your digestive health, the consumption of dietary fiber is essential. Bean sprouts contain plenty of fiber, which promotes digestion. A tiny number of sprouts with your dinner or lunch is enough to prevent indigestion. Its high fiber content also helps maintain cholesterol levels. It is also a brilliant way to prevent bloating. 7. Metabolism. Bean sprouts are an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps to boost metabolism. It is also necessary for other functions in your body, such as circadian rhythms and hormone enzymes. There you have 7 essential benefits of bean sprouts, which cannot be ignored because they are super healthy for you.